We built our catio completely free with scrap wood from our yard and junkyard and some free caging wire from Castanet. Magic! What you think, wizard?
We'll take home some of this wood. We'll build a cat catio. It's good wood. Lots of different pallet pieces and smaller and bigger stuff. Free wood.
Scrap pile of wood here. And our pallets. We started with 2 pallets for the floor of the frame. We covered this space around the edges on the outside. Over the pallets we put 2 pieces of plywood. This is one of the already pre-built frames from the free scraps. We added some wood to the window frame. None of it is screwed onto the actual building itself. It's screwed onto the window frame. We built the roof at an angle so snow and rain would slide off. Along the sides, it's also the pre-built frames from the scrap wood. The door, just the same. We added an extra piece for support. Fortune! We are just using double layer plastic for this year and see if it survives the winter. We put a 4x4 post in the middle to build the steps around it. Here's 2x4s that we cut in half for better supports. All these pieces already were from the framework of the scrap wood. Here's the view around the outside. Coming in, Fortune! No, back up, back up. Back up, back up. Back up. Meow. Meow. You like it? You like it, yeah? These are my brackets I made for holding up the shelves. I made a ramp going up. Just use scrap pieces for them to walk up. I now have more shelves put up for the cats. Fortune! Fortune. Yay! Yay! Fortune. So here's the view of how I put up the steps. I cut pieces like here and put them underneath the shelves so that it would hold it around the post. And I did that for the other steps as well. Oh, Fortune! Try it out! Meow. Yeah! Yeah! I had to put an extra support here on the top step because the cat laid on it and almost fell over the first time. Here is where I put 2 of the shelf supports. We will be putting in a cat door. That is the only thing that is not free. And it's definitely coming together. It's not finished yet. I have more shelves to build. I want to put some grass in this area. What do you think? And this is Wizard. Wizard! Thunk thunk. Achoo! You allergic to it, Wizard? Wizard! Fortune! Fortune! Wizard! Magic! What you think, Magic? Magic! More shelves to build on next video.